With PortVision DX installed and running, to begin configuring your DeviceMaster, click the Scan button in the upper left. Make sure the DeviceMaster box is checked and click Scan. In order for PortVision to detect the DeviceMaster, both the PC running PortVision and the DeviceMaster unit must be physically connected to the same network. Note that PortVision DX versions 4 and later might not detect DeviceMaster units running firmware versions older than 10.0. PortVision DX version 3 is also available for download for this reason. Once the scan is complete, any detected DeviceMaster units are added to the Scan Results folder. Note that the top half of the window is intended for sorting units in folders. To access the full options and information for a device, select its folder in the top half, then right-click on the device entry in the bottom half. To configure a device, double-click the entry or choose Properties from the right-click menu. Note that the default IP address of a new DeviceMaster unit is 192.168.250.250. In this example, the PC running PortVision is on a different subnet. As a result, it takes a number of seconds before the Properties window is displayed. Due to the network configuration of the PC and the DeviceMaster, only 2 of the usual 3 tabs are shown in the Properties window, and the web interface is currently inaccessible. To resolve this, configure the DeviceMaster's network settings appropriately for your network. In this example, the PC running PortVision has an IP address in the 192.168.0 range and a /24 subnet mask, which explains why the DeviceMaster is currently unreachable. Using the Properties window, we assign an appropriate IP address and subnet mask for this example network. The correct assignments will vary based on your organization's specific network settings. After updating the network properties, the DeviceMaster will reboot. PortVision DX shows the updated status of each unit periodically, or to manually check the status of a DeviceMaster, right-click on the unit and choose Refresh Device. While the device boots up, it will show its status and firmware versions under Software Version. Bootloader means the device has begun its startup process. Socket Server means that it has finished booting, and NSLink means the device is acting as a Windows COM port. In this example, the Windows driver has not yet been configured, so we see Socket Server after the unit boots up. Once the unit has finished rebooting, double-click it or choose Properties from the right-click menu. Note that because the device is now directly accessible on the network, the Properties window appears immediately and includes all 3 tabs. The web interface is now accessible as well, either in this Properties window or from a regular web browser. At this point, the DeviceMaster is now accessible on the network from the PC running PortVision. From here, the next steps include updating the firmware and configuring the COM port driver.